this is Kevin from Rise and Summit, and today we're going to look at how to repair gloves, specifically kind of gloves that you wear going into winter season, especially up in Scotland where I do spend my winter seasons. They get a lot of abuse. I'll just show you what I mean. So here you can see that the thumb has got a massive hole in it. This glove as well, it's one of the thumbs. Then we've got a tiny little hole here. We've got a little hole in the finger there, and we've got one in the thumb just here. So as opposed to going out to the shop and buying more gloves, because these things are quite expensive, I will try and repair them with a couple of simple little things, just to prolong them for potentially another season. And hence saving myself a bit of money. Some of the items that we're going to need are needle, thread, pair of scissors, some seam grip, and one of these things that I'm not sure what the technical name is for that, but that's just to protect the finger when you're trying to push a needle through a material which is quite hard. So here we go. Got needle, got thread. The thread has been doubled up and is even on both sides. I'm not going to show you how to thread a needle. I'm sure you can all work that out. And in the end, we are going to keep the ends together, and we are just going to tie a knot. And the reason we're using both ends is that we are creating something that's a little bit thicker. That means that when we thread it through the leather, that it doesn't just automatically poke through. So just cutting the ends off. There we go. Next thing is try and even it out, and then we're going to start sewing. So you can see here that there's a massive hole in it. So ideally what we want to do here is we want to kind of double it up like that, sew it along here, and then we put some seam grip on it. So I'll just show you the first few stitches. I'm sure you don't want to see the whole thing. Let's get the needle at the end. Push it through, go. Leather's thin enough to not have to use the little finger protective cup. There we go. And we go all the way along. You can see that I've gone all the way along here. There. Just to finish it off, I'll poke it through itself and then just tie a few little knots inside just to try and keep it tidy. And at the end, there we go, cut it off. Here comes a little bit of magic. There we go. Squeeze, nice bit of seam grip on the end. And that's to keep it waterproof. So there we go. Smudge it so it covers all the threads. Maybe a little bit more. we go. And then we'll leave that to dry, and that'll be good for possibly another month or so of abuse in Scotland, doing some winter climbing. I hope that's helped you guys to repair your gloves. Gonna try and make a video on how to sharpen Grivel G14 crampons. That'll be coming up hopefully in the next couple of weeks. Till next time.